Standard 6 Subject Civics. Lesson number 2 Diversity in Society. The contribution of society to our development. A society is made up of different elements. We and our family are also part of the larger society. Society is based on the mutual cooperation between individuals and the community. A society cannot exist if there is no cooperation between individuals or between individuals and community. Cooperation is the process of sharing and helping each other and solving problems and removing difficulty. For example, Vineet went to attend the speech. There was too much of crowd as the speaker was well known. At that time, the person who arrived late tried to enter the hall, but he could not find the place to sit. Vineet called that person and he shifted a little bit to make a place for that person. If there is no feeling of cooperation among the family members, then the family can't remain together. In the same way, if there is a lack of cooperation in the society, then it will hamper our progress. Also, our day-to-day affairs will not run smoothly. Cooperation makes interdependence in the society healthier and allows inclusion of everyone in the society. Some sections of the society are weak and deprived. Socially backward communities, people who are economically weak, people who have physical disability are considered as weaker and deprived. The government implements different schemes so that the weaker and deprived sections can avail of education and employment opportunities and can lead a respectful life like others. For the spread of education in remote areas, there are Anganwadis, ashram schools, and Vasti Shalas. Adult education classes are also conducted. Special schools are run for deaf and dumb and blind students. Provision of reservation is made for socially backward and physically disabled people in the educational institutes and government jobs. Similarly, the government implements different schemes for the education of girls. When a woman is educated, her family gets educated. So, it is equally important for women to get educated. You can also help for development of weaker and deprived section. For example, if you know any illiterate person, you can educate him or her. All of you together can help a needy student in your class or school. Tolerance and understanding. Any society is based on the mutual cooperation between the people. But sometimes there arises the differences of opinions, disputes and conflicts. When the opinions, thoughts and outlooks among the individual do not match, the disputes and conflicts may arise. A prejudice or misconception about each other can also become the cause of the conflict. Prejudice means forming an opinion about a person or a thing without completely knowing about it. For example, some students thought that Sanket, the new entrant in the school, was rude and he didn't talk with anyone properly. But when Rajan spoke to Sanket, Sanket answered all his questions properly. Then onwards, Sanket too became a good friend of them. It is in no one's interest to continue the conflict for a long time. Conflicts results only in the loss of everyone. People find a way to resolve the conflict through compromise and understanding. Conflicts can be resolved if people try to understand each other and show a spirit of tolerance. Tolerance means accepting the fact that the opinions and thoughts of others could be different than of our own and they have a freedom to express their opinions and thoughts. Thank you.